G'day and welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video on necessary little spares you may want to take when you're heading across on those bigger trips.
When you're going on the tracks, especially if you're going off-road, like a lot of us off-road campers do, irrespective of brands, one of the major areas where you can strike a problem, where if you've come down a track and you've hit a major pothole or washout, 60 k's or something like that, you can potentially break the camber bolt, which can be a trip-ending event. The camber bolt is a pivot point for trailing arm suspension on our off-road campers. A breakage here will stop the camper and will require either replacement or a tow truck. One of these in your camper, you can at least get yourself back to civilization. Should you do a bearing, got bearings as well. Right, so if you've got those small bits, that can get you home. If you do a shock absorber on the way, because these have got 4 shockies, you can limp home nicely. So you can't be taking every spare part for the camper, but what's the worst case scenario? And this was our worst case scenario. Because we look at forums, and you should look at forums as well, if your camper has got a particular problem, or you've seen people having a problem on their more adventurous trips, find out what parts you need. In this case, that's the important one.
Right. That's good advice there, McDaddy. So we're not telling people they have to take these parts. We're also not telling people that this is the exact bit they might need for their particular brand. Speak to your manufacturer and make sure the manufacturer is giving you their best advice on the possibility of something going wrong.
With our camper, which we got from Goldfields, it's one of those manufacturers that actually offers in-house repairs and maintenance. If you have any issues, you contact Goldfields and they will help you out. If you're up Northern Territory or something and you've got a major issue, say you didn't take one of these bolts, they will send it up to you. You just got to load for the postage, depending how remote you are.
And the time, of course.
That's right. The Goldfields have been very good and they've been supporting people through their travels. Hopefully your manufacturer of your camper is doing the same thing. So before you go away on any trip, check your manufacturer. What parts do you think may break down because I'm going to the Cape?
That's right. Alrighty, thanks for joining us today, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and follow us for more adventures. And remember, coming up soon, we're heading off to Western Australia. Post your questions down below, and if you've got any questions about the mods that we're doing and what we've done, throw them in the comments below and let us know. Anything else you want to see, let us know as well.